Nearly a quarter of the new cases for COVID in the U.S. over the past week, they are in Florida.
And the state has had nearly as many cases in the past 7 days as the next 3 states combined. More than 110,000 new cases have been added to the numbers. Florida is above 2.5 million cases. In an effort to slow down the spread of the Delta variant, stores including Publix and Walmart are requiring employees to wear masks again. Disney today announced that it's requiring vaccines for many of its employees. And the FDA says it's all hands on deck as the agency works to speed up final approval of the Pfizer-BioNTech coronavirus. Right now, Pfizer's vaccine is only approved for emergency use.
Yeah, the urgency, though, comes as the CDC revealed today the COVID-19 Delta variant spreads as fast as the chickenpox.
It's so darn important that everyone get vaccinated.
President Biden's sense of urgency even greater Friday. The White House feverishly working to contain a surge in COVID-19 cases from the Delta variant. The CDC now says it is as contagious as the chickenpox, where the contagiousness of an earlier COVID strain was compared to a common cold. The CDC's director, speaking on network TV, said, "I think people need to understand that we're not crying wolf here. This is serious." Health officials say the Delta variant can spread wider than initially thought. This demonstrates COVID-19's rate of transmission in late 2019. The person in the middle, in yellow, with the virus could infect up to 2 people. This is what the Delta variant transmission looked like just a few weeks ago, spreading among 5 to 8 people. Well, now it's 9 to 10 people, comparable to most contagious diseases like mumps and measles. Local infectious disease expert Dr. Mohammed Reza says the Delta variant is about 225% more contagious.
So when I cough, I'm not just producing 1 or 2 viral particles, I'm producing 1,000 times more viral particles around me. So people around me are more likely to come in contact with those viral particles through air, through droplets, and it stays in the air as well.
The White House was asked again about a possible national vaccine mandate.
So a national vaccine requirement is not under consideration at this time. That's where we are with that.
And while those who have received a COVID-19 vaccine are far less likely to become seriously ill or hospitalized, the CDC is also now making it clear the variant can be spread through those who have already been fully vaccinated, calling the finding a pivotal discovery, leading the agency's updated mask recommendations.